We are joined by Sneha Podar right now from Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Sneha, thanks so much for taking time out. Let's begin by getting in a sense from you first up. You're talking about a subscribe for the long haul. What is making you confident? Can you tell us a little bit more about the business of Emcure Pharma?
Sure. Hi. Good morning. See, Emcure is the 13th largest Indian pharma company. It has a very strong positioning in therapeutic areas. In fact, it has a few very good brands if we talk about. Almost 26 brands have domestic sales of more than 50 crores for FY24. Six of its brands, they are ranked among the 300 highest selling brands in IPM. So we can really see the kind of brands they have built over the last 2 decades, and that really makes it a very strong position in the therapeutic area and across chronic and acute. Now, within therapeutic, gynecology and HIV market, they have a the largest presence. In fact, within the domestic market, they are focusing more on the women healthcare, and going ahead, also, we believe that the women healthcare segment will be growing at a much faster pace compared to the overall healthcare market. Because women tend to spend a little more compared to men. So this is a strong area for the company, given its in gynecology it enjoys market share of 13%. So given its strong market share and given its strong hold on the women healthcare segment, we believe that it's well poised to benefit from from the growth expected in the therapeutic market. Even if we talk about its export market, even that has been doing really well. So for FY trend, over last 2 years, they grew at almost 20% CAGR in the export market, which strongly outgrew the overall, the Indian pharma companies' exports. They have got good presence in Europe, Canada, apart from India. So, over last 2 years, the company has been undergoing a huge capex, and now their four plants have become recently operational. So, we believe that going ahead to support this growth, these four operational plants will play a major role, and it should, the operational leverage should start kicking in, which will improve its financials further from here. And with the company's plans to reduce debt, the interest burden will definitely come down, which will further support its overall earnings. So, given its valuation, which is at 36 times FY24 PE, we believe that it's priced reasonably along with its peers, and thus one can definitely look at it from the long term perspective.
What is the parallel for Emcure? Should it be compared with a MNC company like Pfizer or a local company like, let's say, Alembic or Mankind?
It should be compared more with the domestic companies like Dr. Reddy, Alchem, Cipla. Those are the the major competitors for Emcure. Among the global players, we can probably compare it with Abbott, which has got certain exposure in therapeutic areas.
If one is looking at, let's say, Emcure, out of the two categories, one is chronic and second is acute, what is their mainstay? And what about the distribution channel? Can they be compared with other domestic pharma companies? Are they parallel to them? Are they better than them? Are they lower than them?
Okay. So, if we talk about, the main focus area is the therapeutic, wherein they have got a very strong presence, and they definitely are they have got very strong hold on their distribution channel. In fact, it's much better compared to the other peers. And going ahead, also, what they plan is they want to further increase their penetration with the other hospitals, the pharmacy chains, so that they can further strengthen their distribution reach. So they have got, similar kind is seen with Mankind. They have got very good distribution reach, but apart from Mankind, I believe this company has got a very strong distribution channel, which they further plans to strengthen it.
The option value of going to US generic market, because that is the big honeypot every pharma company wants to do. Has MCure indicated that they want to enter into US market? Do they have plans? Do they have capability there? Because if they do that, that definitely could add a significant revenue line to them.
Okay. So far the company hasn't really given any indication. They have got some presence in Canada, but not really the pure the US markets. And they haven't really given the indication. Actually, the main focus is further strengthening the position in the domestic market. Though exports is also their mainstream, but then their main focus would be on the domestic markets.
Right. So good to have you on the show. Thank you so much for analyzing MCure for us.